Hello Internet. Today we have this card from HP. I think it's a GeForce RTX. GeForce RTX. And that's pretty much all it says on it. Go figure. Thanks HP. I know I have a GeForce RTX. In any case, the owner stated artifacts, so let's plug it in and see what kind of artifacts we get. Okay, so we get these squares and the image on the screen is fragmented. That's unusual. So first obvious thing to do is to run memory test, which somehow has passed. All the way, with flying colors. Then I tried to run a series of other tests that told me absolutely nothing. I tried running tests with maximum frequencies, maximum temperatures, but every time I run the test, I get a pass. I even tried different BIOS, but nothing helped. Okay, now what? I suppose you guessed it. We reball the core. Core is done, and we get a picture. I don't see any issues on desktop. Farmark has ran, the Valley has ran, and I think we have a fix. Happy me. I swear I almost sent this card back with no fix, no charge, but I didn't. In any case, the card is back together. I ran a few stress tests and all is performing as expected. It is, however, a little bit on the hot side due to its size, but that's not too bad. That's it for you today. I hope you guys learned something from this video, and if so, please comment below, hit me with the like button, and subscribe for more repairs. Goodbye.